Just a quick announcement before getting into this video. Please turn on the subtitles while watching this. Thank you. Now on to the video. Hey, it's Mappa 360 Investigations, and I'm standing in front of an abandoned bunker. An unknown person that I'm not going to name gave me the coordinates to this place, which I thank them for because I looked for it and couldn't find it, and then I guess they felt bad for me and gave it to me. So some of you may know where this is, but if for those of you don't, I don't give out my locations. Let me go in here real quick and give you a bird's eye view. This tunnel, that's kind of cool. Smells like horrid ass in here. It really smells terrible in here. So I just got to be careful with this. All right, so now that's it on that. And with that, I have some gear down there. I took it with me for safety reasons. I don't know what's up here. I don't know if there's hills I have to climb or whatever, and I don't want to get stuck down here. So with that being said, I'm on top of this place, and I just want to give you a view, look around. I placed some of my gear down so I don't have to walk around, but it's kind of cool. There's a bit, there's like some destroyed structures over here. Let me see if I can get a bird's eye view of where we are right now. As you can see, it's really wooded. It's nice some sand up here. And there's a good viewpoint. That's where I just was, down there. And I can't see all these trees. Hopefully you guys can. Well, this was a pleasant surprise. Walking around, I found this structure. I thought this was really cool. I have no idea what's up there, but it's kind of interesting. Let me see. Can I get up there? Oh, maybe I can see, maybe I can't. Okay, this area is just really, really cool. It looks like kind of like a back beach area. I guess the water's that way. This looks like a bonsai tree right in front of me. Bonsai! What is this? Okay, this is a little weird. Cement structures? I better be careful, let me see. Okay, this looks a little weird and creepy. Okay, so I don't know what in the world this is, but let's try. Okay, so actually I'm gonna go this way. This looks like a bonsai tree. That's kind of cool. Huh. The secondary one of these. Interesting. Okay, so I have to check this out. I'm inside the abandoned bunker. Okay, due to me not understanding the way this area is, I'm going to be putting down the arrow markers here, and that way I can find my way out. Because I'm not taking a chance that I'm going to get messed up and not be able to find my way out. There we go. I don't think you can get messed up ahead, but I'm not sure. There you go. And then step on it and come over. I don't think you get lost in here, but I don't want to stand it. Pretty interesting.
soggy. It's metal. Look at that in. Looks like a dead end. Okay, so this is just a dead end. Let me try going back to the other one. I think these things just lead in a circle. This over here, I think that's pretty cool. This is going to be a little bit. This is really, really, really soft dirt. And with the help of all this, this is good. Oh, nice. What happened to it? This could be. Not even a out. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. That's really weird. That's safe now. Yeah, okay. Really, really weird in here. Oh, look, somebody planted something. Interesting. Place called. Oh, there's another way in, I guess. That's weird. Oh, metal. Ooh, spooky. Still gotta be careful. Yeah, look at this. Tiki chamber. Where's this going? Oh, okay. So that's a dead end. That's just chamber after chamber. That's weird. Oh, kill license. I don't want to touch any of this stuff because I don't want it to loosen and have something happen. In case anybody's wondering what yuck my light is. Smells like ass in here. That's pretty creepy. Kind of rubbish. What is all this metal? The box. This is really interesting. A lot of weird work in this one. There's a couple of rooms. Interesting. Alright, so I think that's the end of the bunker. I'm going to walk around for a bit to see if I can find anything else for I need to do. This is really, really cool. I should want to actually do this explore. See what this one is. Oh, this must be where I originally looked in. It is. Oh, that's cool. There's the other side. There's the park. That's where I was. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so this is actually one room bunker. That's interesting. That's cool. I guess I didn't need my arrows, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. I'm very weary about hanging things that are hanging down. It's really cool. Gotta find a watching this and then head out. It's really quiet in here, it's cool. I think I went in here and I think I just didn't go up the ramp. Yep, I was right. There it is. Yay! Always warm in every area. Penis on the wall. And swears. And this is the actual, I guess, the end of it. That was actually really interesting. And, I don't know, that was really interesting. So, for now, this is Mappa 360 Investigations. I'm speaking for also Lisa. I'll see you on next Explore. Thanks.